Good morning, guys. What's up? Beautiful morning out here. You guys know that I went for my job yesterday. Yesterday was the first day. My agency helped me out to get a job, and this is my second day. As much as I drag going to this job because I'm starting all the way from the bottom now, I have to do it. There is no other choice. On the way, I'll try to find a better job suitable for my experience, my knowledge, and my education. But right now, something is better than nothing. So today, this video is gonna be about 2 hard lessons that I have learned after becoming jobless. You guys know that I lost my job about a month ago. And during this period of time, I did a lot of introspection on actually what went wrong. And I realized that 2 major mistakes that I did, that even I knew at the time was not acceptable. The first lesson is never betray or never break the trust of your work. Don't do something which is against the rules of the workplace. You think that nobody's watching you, but trust me, someone is always there watching you. Whenever you try to break the rules, you think that people are not listening to you. But trust me on this, walls have ears. They do listen. And everything that you do, you will have to pay for it. That's the first thing that I have learned. It was a really stupid mistake, but I did what I did, and I learned the hard way. I hope you don't have to go through this. And the second lesson that I have learned was to actually do what you really want to do, really desire to do in your bones. Because you don't want to be working in a job for 8 to 10 hours straight in one day and not liking it. You cannot do it for the rest of your life. That's gonna be a wasted life. Just don't do it because you need money. Just don't do it because of peer pressure. Just don't do it because your neighbor or your friend is doing it. If you don't actually know what you want and you don't have money for now, do it, but have a plan, have a purpose. Try to find what you truly like, what intrigues you, what interests you, and slowly and steadily follow that path. Do it part-time, and when you start making good money out of the thing that you truly want to do or truly like to do, then go all in. Go all in. If you are 18, 19, 20 years old, you have time. You have time. Don't just waste your time thinking that you have infinite amount of days ahead of you. Trust me on this. Time goes by really fast. You don't even realize when you're gonna be 30. You don't even realize when you're gonna be 35, 40, 50 years old. So you need to realize that every step that you take is either going towards the place that you want to go or going against or in the opposite direction of the place that you want to go. Don't think too much. Don't self-sabotage yourself. Don't dwell in the thoughts, but just take action. And when you realize that the action that you took is not good or is unethical or is immoral, just try to correct it right then and there. Beautiful morning, guys. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.